Dude, that was my number.
So
That was my number.
He was so upset.
Scumbag.
So you're just setting a new record right off the bat?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Oh, wow.
Throwing it out there.
I mean, I'm gonna say I wouldn't do that, but.
What a loser.
Matthew, let's fire!
All right, we have 5 baselines to do.
Nice.
5. ZR1, ZL1, and 3 C6Zs. So.
Bush Beard just started following me.
Nah, really?
That's it. Maybe you won. Dude, I hope I won.
Oh, it's Bush Beer wins. It's not a real game. It's got 100 followers. What a loser.
It's got the same profile pic as the Bush Beer stuff.
Bush Beer with like 6 C's.
Damn it.
Oh, man. He was so excited.
Well, I literally made a book, like a comment on their page this morning.
All right, what's your dyno guess?
Damn it. ZR1, 669.
I'm going to go 690.
Okay. Ooh. Spot me right in the middle. 680.
Okay. Cheers.
681, Stevie.
Okay.
Just because the decal on the hood, I'm gonna go 666.
You can. He went 669.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
What do you do?
I could be a
He's like
scumbag.
666.
Daddy, perfect.
Try again.
I mean, I am a scumbag, so.
660. What's your guess?
Alright, 660. My guess is 660, but I think it's gonna do like 674. Alright?
Okay.
Alright.
Looks like you're out. 698. Just go 700.
Yeah.
All crazy. It's a good morning.
698. There it is. Next up, TJ's ZL1 Auto. Eric, you want 569?
Yes.
569.
575.
We're at 584.
Okay.
Whoa!
That's where we got that from. 8.44 ounces.
Jerry
It
flag.
is the chair. It's a little bit more enthusiastic than that. There you go. 2020. ZL1. It's our first 2020.
Down there. I was gonna go with that one.
Eric had to get back to work. We're gonna finish the rest of these 3 C6Es. 475.
It's got wheels on it. Oh, I was gonna go higher. I gotta go 458.
07 C6Z stock. Up, we have a Cyber Gray. Actually, the next two are both Cyber Grays, C6Zs. Since 2011.
What kind of lip? You guys ever? Always told me
Does that lip not look really high off the ground to you?
It does. The side skirts and stuff still probably have to get jacked up.
474.
2011 does have Veyron and headers. 485.
Asshole! Dude, that was my number! That was my number!
He was so upset.
Scumbag!
Jerry saw it had an intake and headers, just like, I'm thinking of going higher. Camera wasn't on, pallet doesn't count. You didn't see
496.
Okay. Matt, you leaving your guess?
Yeah. Why? Because the cold air?
And headers.
EPA friendly, free flowing exhaust.
You know what? I'm gonna leave my guess.
That's smart. It really is.
What is the option? 496. 469?
This thing makes $496.
Dollars.
Or, sorry, I've been looking at TVs.
Horsepower.
You're gonna buy me lunch today?
I'll buy you lunch today.
You heard it first.
We'll make sure it does.
Yeah, you can do a little bit of editing, right?
No, can't do it.
Can't?
It's not a Mustang battery. It's not. He said if it makes 496.
It did. It made more.
No, that's not the bet.
No.
The bet has to make 496.
Or greater.
No, no one said that.
This is like
Did you say that?
I thought it was two. This thing makes $496.
Dollars.
Or,
Horsepower.
You're gonna buy me lunch today?
I'll buy you lunch today.
You heard it first.
We'll mix up the second Cyber Gray. This has HRE wheels on it. Nice wheels.
I ain't heard that since Gran Turismo.
HRE. Yeah. Old school, man. Early 2000s, late 90s. It does have a little bit of a belt squeal. We will be taking care of that. Clean car, though. 455.
This is my guess.
Let's guess.
494.
Okay. Jerry, you want
What do you say?
474, I said.
474. We got 467. They lied. 506.
Wow.
Underrated from the factory.
Wow. Wow. That is very, very good. And very surprising. Let's come, Jebediah.
That's the right angle right there.
Yeah, it was hitting the hood before. You can tell, see?
Not incredibly hard, but it was there.
Yep.
I had the one before, it was like the whole imprint in the clamp, but
Yeah.
not this one.
We'll make sure it gets on there right.
Yeah, so it's all about the angle. The angle of laid angle. So, just gotta figure out how much you gotta take off this one and this one, because you need this rubber coupler to sit in the front of this lip right here, because if it's on this side of the lip, this little bit of 1/8 inch of rubber, or 1/4 inch, whatever, 1/8 inch, pushes it right into that. Pizzazz.
How many Red Bulls did you drink before this?
I mean, I just had a bang, and that is next level.
You gotta get one of those 300 milligram monsters.
No, that was a 300 milligram heart attack.
How much caffeine are in those bangs? Are they 300 too? Are they 3? Oh, that's why.
Me and Jerry are heavily caffeinated today.
No Eric here to bring us down.
Yeah, Eric's out today. He's not sick.
No angry Eric here to pull us down.
So everything else looks good. Obviously headers are on. MSD is on.
Correcto mundo.
Wires and plugs.
Yep.
Change all fluids.
So.
Coolant soon.
Correct.
And then she'll be ready to fire.
Yeah. I just need to flash it because it's got injectors in it.
Yeah, because we did an intake manifold.
Yep. So just gotta cut that, and then it should be good to go.
Stage 4, C7C. This was the factory freak on baseline.
Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah, it was higher than we've ever seen one do before.
Okay.
So we dubbed it by factory freak. So I'm really hoping to see some impressive numbers.
I mean, why?
I don't know. Just what I'm hoping for.
Oh.
I mean, I know a high baseline makes it harder for us to show a bigger gain, but I'm hoping it's just as strong.
You just got your hopes up.
No, you're gonna get my hopes up, but I have my hopes there. Don't give them up. Work your
No.
magic.
Nope. Nope. Insert the clip of what's his face. He's like, nope. 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 What's the dude's name?
I don't know who you're
The
talking
black dude who got hit by like the Walmart truck and like sued Walmart and
Morgan Tracy.
yeah. Him.
I actually saw that movie recently. It was a really dumb movie.
Yeah, I have no idea about the movie, but
It's really stupid.
I believe that.
Bruce Willis is in it, and that Sean Michael Scott dude.
No. No. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. No. 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 Hell no. 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 I refuse. No. No.
I only know that because I saw it like 6
It's just a gift that.
Yeah, but it's from that movie.
Yeah.
And then I finally watched the movie and I was like, oh, that's what this is from. The little scene is better than the movie.
I believe that.
860.
You sure as your hopes up high.
It's nonsense.
So you're just setting a new record right off the bat.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Oh, well.
Throwing it out there.
I mean, I'm gonna say I wouldn't do that, but
Okay, whatever. Make it happen.
no.
Okay, thanks, bye. Well, for not a full pull, letting out early, really good power. 835 torque, holy sh**. Torque probably not going to change a whole lot until we do E, but dang. So, found out later, I guess this thing was tuned before. That was why.
I don't know if it was, because I had issues with it, so I flashed it back to stock with GM shit, and when I downloaded that file and I compared it to the one that was in there, it's the same. So maybe it's not. Yeah, it's dropping boost.
Let me show you guys what we're working with. Getting dialed in, but right now boost is falling off about 5 pounds or so. So we got to get a tighter belt on it, shorter belt. You know what I mean? That's better. Boost is staying where it should. Obviously these blowers drop off a little bit, not that hard as it was before. Damn good for pump gas.
Pretty sick pump gas.
Yeah, that's what I just said. Pump gas and meth, that's a killer.
Good color combo too.
Yeah. Sure is. That's pretty good. Boost staying where it should now.
You're welcome.
It's not my car. It's so weird.
It's even weirder because no one on camera can see what I just did.
He was molesting my microphone.
I didn't touch his face or anything like that.
Looking like my guess in the beginning might be pretty close.
I could end that guess.
What?
I could just take a bunch of timing out of it.
Yeah, but you're not going to do that to the customer.
I won't.
Love another record car.
What's the highest one we've done? 850?
85 maybe.
That's what I was thinking.
I'm talking stock bottom end, not that Z01 that we did, because that was the highest stock blower, but that wasn't the stock bottom end. Austin's.
Oh, yeah.
That was in the 860 neighborhood or so. That was
Just normal, like, stage 4
yeah,
package.
That's what I'm talking about.
Cam, blower, etc.
Yeah, that's killer for pumping the meth.
Stock head.
Yeah.
Why don't we do heads? Time for 8.
Huh?
Time for 8.
Alright, first pull with a little bit of E, 29% to be exact. Good start. Now we're going to add more. %E.